One of the most important features of our new website as a DIN leader is to use it as a source of communication to share information with your DIN families. Under each respective DIN page, there's a small window here called the News. And effectively this is a blog that the DIN leader is able to type updates, small stories, congratulations to Johnny who just earned his bike loop in this past PAC meeting or in the upcoming PAC meeting, or so excited to go on our Go See It next week to go to the bank at Bank of America. But it's a source to communicate out to those families, and it's only as good as the information that's put into it. You should get in the habit of updating your DIN news at least once in between DIN meetings and give families a chance to come back to the page, visit, see what's new from the DIN leader. And also on this page is your calendar that is specific to your DIN and PAC news. So quickly, the easiest way to update your news page is to go to your DIN page and then scroll to the bottom where it's Sign In. There you'll enter your DIN email address. You can see I still haven't got my edit toolbar at the top. I'll go down to the bottom and select Sign In a second time. And it's now appeared at the top. It's a glitch in Google Sites. I'm not sure of any other fix other than it's not uncommon to have to try to log in twice in order to edit. So now that I'm on my page, and again, you only have access to edit your page, your DIN page, and your DIN news page. Now that I'm here, I'll come down here to what the Wolves are doing and click on this link that says click here for all the Wolf news and stories. What that does is it actually takes you to a new page, which is technically your news page. You can see here there's a link for new post. Click on that. It's now going to open a new paragraph for you to type. So we'll call this post Sample Post. And write something real quick here. Now obviously your posts are going to be longer than this. You want to give some meaning to what you're typing out here. And if there are any files that you want to add, if you want to add a photograph, a document, a PDF, a form, you can click on this link at the bottom, Add Files. You'll search for that file, hit Open, and it'll connect it there. I'll just add one of these pictures for an example. When you're done with this, you'll hit Save. You can see that it's publishing. And when it's finished publishing, it will then post it on your site. So if I go back to my page, you can see that the latest post, the one that I just put in, has now pushed the old post down and the feed is in the top there. You can format these as in any changes you want. You can see here I've got color and a larger text, and all of that is up in the editing up here. You got your colors, your fonts, you can do links, size of text, all your normal edit tools you might find in a word processing document. And that's how you update your news.